What if I ask you to find out the square of any number? Easy. Everything appears. But what if I ask you to find out the square root of any numbers? Everything disappears. And also, if I ask that to find out the square root of imperfect number, then to don't ask. Fed up with the complicated formulas, calculation, if same things comes in your mind, then this video is only and only for you. In this video, I'm going to reveal the easiest method. Only by doing adjustment we will find out the square root of any imperfect number. So let's start. So to find out the square of any imperfect number, let's take an example of root 58. So to find out the square root of 58, first of all we should know the square of numbers. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 is having 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64 and 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. Yes. Now the next thing, we should know this 58 comes in between which numbers. 16 is smaller, 25, 36, 49 and 64. Now 58 comes in between 49 to 68, 7 to 8 square. Correct. So here we will write 7 square and between 8 square. This number comes in between 7 square and 8 square. Now here the adjustment comes. What is the square of 7? Square of 7 is 49. So we will leave some space and we will write 49 over here. First step to write the 7 square, which is 49. The next step, we have to just write down the 8 square, which is 64. 8 square, which is 64, we will write in front of 8. Now we will find out how much our 58 is far from 49. So let's take this 58, we will write here, as this 58 is greater number than 49. So we will subtract 58 minus 49, which will give us 9. Correct. Now in second step we will check this 49 how much it is far from 64. How much it is far from 64. So this 49 we will write in front of 64. I am repeating, the given number we subtracted from square of 7, which is 49, smaller number 7, which is 49, and we find out the difference, which comes 9. In next step 49 we will check how much it is far from 64. So 49 and 64, 64 minus 49, the difference we will get 15. The smaller distance is of 7. So our whole number is 7. Now in next step what we have to do, in next step whatever the difference we got it, we will write in a fraction form or division form. 9 upon 15, and simply we will divide it to find out the decimal. When we will divide 9 by 15 we will get 0.6. Now the third step is that whatever is our whole number, that is the smallest square which we write here, in this we have to add this decimal fraction which is 0.6 and add both the numbers, whole number and decimal. What we will get, our answer is 7.6, which is nothing but square root of 58. Square root of 58 is nothing but 7.6. 58 is approximately 7.6. When you will calculate on calculator, you will get 58 square root is equals to 7.61. Yes, you can check it. Let's take one more example. Root 187. Here also the ones place is 7, which clearly indicates that this number is imperfect number. That means we have to find out the square root of imperfect number. Steps are all same. 187 we have to find in the series of square. 187, just check that 121, 144, which is the square of 12, 169 and 196, which comes in between 13 and 14. So 13 and next number is our 14, correct? Now what we have to do, we will write 13 square, which is 169, as well as we will write the 14 square, which is 196. Next step, we will find out our given number is how much far from 169. So bigger number we will write 187 minus 169, and the difference we will get 18. Correct. Now the next step is that 169 is how much far from 196. So to find out that, we will take 196 minus 169. Second step is that we will subtract 196 minus 169 and we will find out the difference. Difference is nothing but 27. Now the which number will give us smaller difference, we will take that number. That is 13 square of 13's difference is given 18, and 14 when we have done with the 14, which is giving 27. The smaller number is 18, that's why we will take 13 as an whole number. To find out the decimal, what we will do, again we will divide. We will write this difference in a fraction form and we will divide these two numbers. 18 upon 27, when we will divide it, we will get 0.6666. Yes. Now in the next step, we have to simply add this whole number 13 with the decimal 0.66, and when we will add, we will get a final answer 13.66, which is nothing but the approximate square of under root 187. So under root 187 is not approximately equals to 13.66. Use calculator and find out its correct answer. You will get the same answer. Shall we go with one more example? The third example we will take 233. Steps are same. What we will do, we will check this 233 in our series of square lies between 15 and 16, because 225 is smaller than 233 and whereas 256 is greater than 253. Steps are same. 15 we will write first. Keeping distance, we will write the square of 15, which is 225, and then we will write the square of 16, which is nothing but 256. Given number we will subtract to find out the difference, and 233 minus 225 will gives me 8, correct? Whereas to find out how much far 225 is from 256, we will subtract 256, which is the square of 16, from 225, and difference will be 31. Difference is 31. The smallest difference, we will write down the whole number. So our whole number is 15, as it is difference is smaller. The difference is 8, so smaller difference is our first whole number. To find out the decimal, the next step is same. We will divide 8 upon 31. After division, 8 upon 31, when you will divide, you will find out the decimal is 0.258. Now the next step you all knows, we have to add this decimal with the whole number 15. So when you will add 258, you will get the final answer 15.258. Yes, which is our approximate answer of root 233. So root 233, the square root of 233 is equals to 15.258. When you will use a calculator, you will find the exact will be 15.26, which is very close to our answer. Remember, maths is not about the memorizing. It's always about the understanding the pattern. Always climb the ladder of learning, but one step at a time. This is Bhagyashri signing off. See you in next video with new magical trick. Till that, bye bye. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.